How to fix ManyChat Flows issue. There's a number of issues you may come across while setting up your flows, but don't worry, just read through this article to find a quick solution to your problem. Table of contents. 1. Can't publish a flow. 2. Can't preview a flow. 3. Flow wasn't sent to a subscriber. 4. ManyChat.com. Appears in messages. 5. Can't open a flow. 6. How can I stop flow that was already sent? 7. Flow stops after a button is clicked. 1. Can't publish a flow. First, you need to check if there are any unattached steps or empty blocks in your flow. Open this flow in Flow Builder, and then click Publish. The problematic block will be highlighted in red by the system. Make sure to delete all empty blocks and unattached steps. Along with that, you can see the cause of the issue in the red frame like on the screenshot below. If your page is on a free account, make sure that you don't have any pro features in this flow. While you're on a free plan, you can add pro features to flows, but you won't be able to publish them eventually. You can either remove the block with pro features or upgrade this page to pro to resolve this situation. 2. Can't preview a flow. To receive previews of a certain flow you need to opt into your bot first. To do that, head to Settings = Notifications in your ManyChat account and click the subscribe button in the Messenger notifications section in order to opt into your bot and receive bot notifications / preview flows. 3. Flow wasn't sent to a subscriber. There are a few reasons why a flow may not be sent to your bot subscribers, as it can be used in any automation with its own configurations. First of all, make sure the flow in question is published, doesn't contain empty cells, action blocks, user input fields, sequences, etc., and is not permanently deleted. If a flow is used as your welcome message and it's not sent after clicking the Get Started button, although it's enabled in your account, try refreshing permissions. You can do it by clicking Refresh Permissions button in Settings = General. If your default reply is not sent, check if it's enabled and how often it's set to fire. If everything's set up properly and the default reply is still not triggered, refreshing permissions may also help. Main menu doesn't react to clicks? Probably, it's a permissions issue, too. Try refreshing them before anything else. A flow that's attached to a keyword will not be sent if the keyword is disabled. And of course, don't forget about the magic Refresh Permissions button. You're subscribing yourself to a sequence and its message is not arriving? Make sure it's activated and you haven't been subscribed to the sequence before. If you've tested the sequence, you're already subscribed to it and won't receive its messages again. Just try unsubscribing yourself from the sequence and subscribing back to it. This should restart the sequence for you. If you've set up a growth tool and your subscribers don't receive its opt-in flow, check if the GT is active and make sure it's set up correctly. You can check out the guides for each GT in the Help Center. If neither of these troubleshooting steps helps you, don't hesitate to contact our friendly support at any time. 4. ManyChat.com. Appears in messages. Sometimes you can see ManyChat.com at the bottom of your cart or a list item. This is how it looks like. First of all, please note it's not a branding message that is being shown by the system. The reason you see this is that your cart URLs are changed by cart URL shortener. This has to be done as it's technically impossible to provide you with click-through rate data without converting your link into the ManyChat link, as all the data goes through ManyChat servers. You can disable this feature. Just head to Settings = General = Cart URL shortener and choose Shortener is disabled, no CTR option, if you don't want your links to be displayed as ManyChat.com. You can change it to MNCH.at and still have the CTR data. If you're still experiencing any issues after following all of the steps listed here, please feel free to contact our support team at any moment. Smiley face. 5. Can't open a flow. First of all, please, go to the Help section of your ManyChat account and click Refresh Permissions. If it doesn't help, try logging into ManyChat in another browser or incognito mode. If you are able to open this flow in another browser, then the issue can be solved by clearing the cache and cookies on your device. If you're still not able to open this, flow, please proceed with contacting our friendly support. 6. How can I stop flow that was already sent? Generally, once a flow is sent, there is no way to revoke or stop it. The only exception is if the flow contains a smart delay. You can change the steps after it. Those will be updated for a user once the smart delay runs out for them. If you've sent the flow using broadcast though, it cannot be changed at all. 7. Flow stops after a button is clicked. First of all, please, go to the Help section of your ManyChat account and refresh permissions. Also, make sure that the flow in which the issue occurred is published. Try running the flow on your side to see if the issue occurs for you. If you cannot recreate the issue, Check the live chat conversation with the user who experienced the issue and then compare it with yours.